I'm Lise from the Surmulerum. Today we're going to make and can some homemade Chinese mock duck for the pantry. We are Andy and Lise, a musician and an illustrator. This is where all our crazy ideas come together. Welcome to the Surmulerum. Please subscribe to our channel. It's completely free. Later in the video I'll show you a simple recipe for a delicious meal using the canned mock duck. If you're gluten intolerant, this is not for you, because the main ingredient in mock duck is vital wheat gluten. For the broth, pour 3 liters of water into a large pot. Then add 2 cups of light soy sauce and some vegetable bouillon powder. I used 13 teaspoons for this recipe. Then put it on the stove to heat up. You will need some kind of mesh to wrap the seitan for cooking. This will also give it the distinctive duck skin texture that you find in the store-bought version. For the wet ingredients, I used 2 cups of water and 1 cup of light soy sauce. The dry ingredient is just 3 cups of vital wheat gluten and nothing else. Mix the two together and it quite quickly becomes a dough. Give it a good kneading to develop the gluten and stretch it in one direction to create a bit of stringiness. Then leave it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Cut the dough into 4 pieces. Wrap them individually in the mesh and tie off the wraps to keep the dough in as it expands. Then pop them into the broth to simmer for 1 hour. It is important that it doesn't boil fully, as the seitan will become spongy. This can ruin the texture, so keep it to a gentle simmer. After an hour, take the mock duck out to drain and cool down. Save the broth to use as canning marinade. When cold enough to touch, unwrap the mock duck and rip it into bite-sized pieces. You can now clearly see the duck skin texture on the surface. Now it's time for canning. Pack the mock duck pieces into small canning jars. I got 11 half-pint jars out of this batch. Cover the mock duck with broth, leaving a 1-inch headspace. Wipe the rims with the vinegar cloth. Place the lids and screw the rings on, finger tight, and then place them in the prepared canner. To see how to prepare the canner, please click on the link to watch the canning chickpeas and beans video. Put the canner lid on and turn it up to full heat. When it is boiling hard and steam comes out of the vent in a steady stream, set the timer to 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, put the weight on and watch the little valve pop up as the pressure builds up inside the canner. Then let the pressure rise to your required weight, according to your altitude. Where I live, that is 10 pounds of pressure. Mock duck need to cook for 1 hour at pressure, so when the pressure gauge reach, in my case 10 pounds, set the timer to 1 hour. Turn the cooker down to maintain the correct pressure for the entire hour. After an hour, turn the cooker off and wait till the little valve on top pops down. Then it's safe to take the weight off and open the canner. Take the jars out to cool on a towel. Enjoy the satisfying pops as the lids seal, one by one. When the jars have all sealed and are cool enough to touch, take off the rings. Then thoroughly clean the jars on the outside. Now you can label the jars and store them in your pantry. For a quick and easy meal, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, drain the mock duck and place it in an oven-proof dish. Smother the mock duck in a sweet Thai hoisin sauce and pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. You can then serve it with your favorite sides. Here I made baked potatoes and added a nice green salad and broccoli. Delicious! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And remember,